Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you 3 Safari privacy settings you must change to iPhone. So at first open your settings, scroll down, press on tabs and find here to Safari browser. Just open your Safari browser, scroll down and you get this option. If you already turn on this option, just make sure to turn off in the first settings, and the second settings, scroll down, press on hide IP address. If you want to hide your IP address, just make sure to from trackers, and the number 3, scroll down, press on to advanced and make sure you get this option. Make sure to turn off this. You just change 3 settings, then you can safely use your Safari browser.